should we protect ourselves from the sun? Sun protection clothing? Uncomfortable. Sun hat? Inconvenient. Protect yourself from the sun anytime and where? MANSI Clear Double Protection Sunscreen is here. It can effectively block the damage of ultraviolet rays, UVA and UVB, and prevent skin sunburn and tanning. I can maintain the sun protection effect all day long with just one application. Moreover, its texture is light and thin. It does not feel sticky when applied on the body. Choose MANSI Clear Double Protection Sunscreen to keep your skin fearless of the sun and keep it healthy and beautiful.